Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to the online class of English grammar for grade 8. Here I am teacher Mr. Snawla. Today we will do two exercises 1 and 2 of our new module 9 from English grammar workbook. You will find these two exercises on page 67. Exercise 1, page 67. You have to complete the sentences with a word from each box. We have been given two boxes. Each box carries 8 words. The first box has 8 words which are collection of or combination of verb and nouns, while the second box has all the prepositions. You will take one word from each of these two boxes to complete the sentences. How will you do? I will teach you now. A question. Exercise 1, page 67. During the first moon landing in 1969, millions of people were glued to their televisions. B. In the 19th century, most people thought the idea of flight was nonsense. So our answer will be of flight. C. None of Schiller's early experiments before he was 30 amounted to anything. Amounted to, that is our answer. You will write these two words to complete the sentence. By the end of the 1970s, vinyl records were on their way out. You will write on and way. How will you write? I have highlighted in blue color, were on their way out to complete the sentence. E. Several publishers turned down his book before it was eventually accepted. Turned down. Turned down will be our answer. F. My computer is linked to the network via a modem. My computer is linked to. Linked to is our answer. G. The discovery of penicillin was of enormous value in the Second World War. Of enormous value. Of and value will be our answer, but how will you write? Please be careful about spacing and the appropriate placement of the word. H. The satellite was launched from Cape Canaveral. Launched from is our answer for H question. Exercise 2, page 67. You will make some prediction by using the helping verbs will or will not. Yes, my dear students, if you have to tell something about a future activity, you will use will or will not along with the first form of the verb in the sentence the future indefinite tense. Don't worry, I forget. This is question A of exercise 2, page 67. I forget. Okay, so what will you say here in the context of don't worry? So definitely you will say here won't, means I will not forget. So won't will be the answer. Then the whole expression will be comprehensive and meaningful. Don't worry, I won't forget. B. Why don't you buy Meg this bag? She'll love it. Grammatically she love it is wrong. So our answer will be why don't you buy Meg this bag? She will love it. So our answer will be only apostrophe LL. She will love it. C. I know I win but I buy a lottery ticket every week. I know I won't win. So I won't win will be our answer. You will write want between I and win. D. Let me make a photocopy, it take long. Please write the answer in the English grammar workbook for part D of exercise 2, page 67. Let me make a photocopy, it won't take long. It won't take long. E. There be lots of food at the party. Now this expression makes no sense at all. But when you will use the helping verb will, then there will be some understanding. There will be lots of food at the party. Apostrophe LL. You will write after there. There will be lots of food at the party. F part. The flight takes hours, so you arrive at 10 o'clock. Please write the answer. The flight takes hours, so you will arrive at 10 o'clock. You can write you will, or you can also write apostrophe LL, the contraction. It's your choice. G. Don't panic. The coach go without you. The coach go without you makes no sense, but when you will use the helping verb won't, so then there will be something meaningful. Don't panic. The coach won't go without you. H. I'm going to the conference in Lisbon. You be there? Write the answer. I'm going to the conference in Lisbon. Will you be there? Will is our answer for H part of exercise 2. Will you be there? The last part is interrogative expression. My dear students, so far we have done our two exercises 1 and 2, and as a homework you will complete these two exercises and revise them also. Thank you very much and have a nice time.